I was set this set of valves, replacement valves for your tubeless tires, and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check them out. This is everything you're gonna get in the box. You're gonna get a bunch of these. So let's line them up here. See how many we got totally in the box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So it looks like 20 of them total. These are about that medium size. I've seen stubbier ones and definitely longer ones. So this is in the middle. It's a medium size. It's got an all rubber construction throughout here, which has got that ridge that's going to lock in place into your rim, into your tire rim, so that you can inflate with a tubeless scenario. You've got your screwable cap here with the brass fitting behind it with the valve inside. So this comes with all the equipment inside the valve and the cap, so you're ready to go to do a valve replacement. So good to have a few of these around in your shop, because what can happen, they can get cut here. If you're doing this, like for example, on a mower, then these can definitely get cut when you hit rocks or when you get into the bushes and such. And so if these get cut, you're gonna have slow leaks. Real easy to change them out. You're just gonna need to take the tire out, push this through, and then bring a new one back in from the inside, and then you can put that in place. There's even ways to do that without removing the tube. You can see some of those options on YouTube for how to do that, how to squeeze this down and get it in. But yeah, this is a replacement that in a bulk order of 20, you're gonna have plenty to last your lifetime for any issues you've got where you need this medium size valve for inflation on a tubeless tire. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this set of 20 that you'll receive. Hope this information was helpful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.